My name is Dustin Monty, the Assistant Manager of the SMSC's Organics Recycling Facility located in Shakopee, Minnesota. We operate a large-scale composting facility taking in 70,000 tons per year of wood waste, yard waste, and the food waste in the area to divert all that material out of the landfill and create a soil amendment that can be used on a variety of projects. So the SMSC is the Shakopee Mdewakanton Sioux community, a federally recognized Native American tribe. The initial thought for the facility was to really just do what's right for Earth, removing organic material that's going to a landfill and truly making a good compost that can go back to the Earth. Once we realized that the facility is actually a great revenue source, the team at Viably and Hennen really helped create the business that it is today. We were able to package all the equipment together to get a shredder, a turner, a screener, and a stacker all in one so that we could start composting on the right foot and make sure we were doing it with the best up-to-date technology. We still operate 2 of the 3 pieces of equipment that were here from day one, and that's only possible due to Hennen Equipment's meticulous maintenance.
From a maintenance standpoint, Dustin and his team they're on the ball. When we come on site to do any repairs, we know what we're getting into, and it makes our job so easy.
One of the reasons that we're increasing the organics rate is that the MPCA, or the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency, has a 75% recycling goal by 2030. And we know that the way to increase that goal to 75% is to increase the amount of organics diverted from a landfill. Up until this point, we've been limited on some of the feedstocks that we bring in based on how heavily contaminated it may be and what the contamination is. We recently incorporated a Scott Equipment Thor turbo separator. That's going to expand our ability to now take in pre-consumer feedstocks containing a lot of heavy packaging or contamination type material. Some of the potential feedstocks could be ice cream to milk cartons or canned foods. The possibilities are kind of endless. The SMSC has a full circle approach, so they're able now to divert all the organics that would have gone to a landfill, and now they can bring it to their own facility and turn it back into a beneficial soil amendment. The SMSC was able to use compost from this facility on the golf course, the tribal farms, as well as all the landscape kind of projects that they have within the community itself. The industry is constantly evolving and changing, and I do strive to continue to grow in this industry and constantly be available for conversation or be available for testing and trying to show and adapt and improve. Being partners with Viably and Hennen Equipment has been great. We're always sharing ideas back and forth. There's kind of continued conversations and making sure that we're having our equipment running and making sure parts are kind of readily available that we need. If I have a problem, it's going to be taken care of. We had a great example actually on our L3. We were running into some freezing issues. We found that in the winter, the steam produced from the compost was creating moisture inside the machine and freezing. Having the team at Viably and Hennen Equipment to be able to all kind of put our heads together and solve that issue, we were able to continue screening throughout our winter and ever since. The customer feedback actually works its way back, and we were pleasantly surprised to see that when we purchased our XL3 last year, that it came with the expanded metal as a part of the design on the new machine. Pretty excited about the team that we've built here. We have a well-tenured staff. Everybody that shows up is excited. They're ready to move. They're motivated. I think the future of the facility is to continue to grow and continue to get the organics out of landfills and continue to create that compost that as a quality product and continue to be a reputable and profitable facility.